The 2016 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, stability control, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.